we will be learning about purple and yellow animals. This is the third episode of the fourth season of comparing animals and their habitats. If you have any recommendations to compare animals, please leave them in the comments section below. In this video, we will first be discovering purple animals. The purple glossy starling. The purple martin. And the Pacific purple sea urchin. The purple glossy starling, or Lamprotonus porpunus, belongs to the order Passeriformes in the family Sternidae. The purple glossy starling is a large yet short-tailed starling. These birds have feathers that are iridescent or show very luminous colors that change when seen from different angles. They are mainly found in large groups in savannas and woodlands. These birds also travel in large groups, sometimes even with other starlings. The purple glossy starling is mainly found in Central Africa and has an average lifespan of 4 years. According to the IUCN Red List, the purple glossy starling is currently listed as least concern. The purple martin, or Broneusubi, is a part of the order Passeriformes in the family Iridinidae. The purple martin is native to North and South America. If you were to set up a birdhouse in your backyard, most likely you would have to add more. This is because the purple martin enjoys living in your local birdhouses. These birds mainly eat insects and nest in birdhouses and nest cavities. In the 1800s, it was very common for martin houses to be everywhere within the United States. John James Audubon, the founder of the Audubon Society, once said, "Almost every country tavern has a martin box on the upper part of its signboard. And I have observed that the handsomer the box, the better does the inn generally prove to be." According to the IUCN Red List, the purple martin is currently listed as least concern. The Pacific purple sea urchin, or Strongylatus purpuratus, is a part of the order Echinoida in the family Strongylocentratidae. The Pacific purple sea urchin is home to the coastlines of the Pacific from Alaska to the Cedros Islands in Mexico. The sea urchins are important food sources for sea otters and sea stars that live in the Pacific Ocean. The meat contained in these sea urchins are a special delicacy in Japan. These animals feed on kelp and are a leading result of the deforestation of Northern California's kelp forests. This organism is a social but independent animal. These creatures usually live together in the kelp forests along the Pacific coast. According to the IUCN Red List, this species has not been evaluated. Now moving on to yellow animals. The American goldfinch. The yellow warbler. And the yellow tang. The American goldfinch, or Spinus tristis, belongs to the order Passeriformes in the family Fringillidae. The American goldfinch is a small bird that belongs to the finch family. This bird is mostly seen during the summer months flying over meadows. The diet of these birds mostly consists of seed and sometimes insects. They mainly consume daisy seeds and can be found year-round in the United States. A female goldfinch will usually lay between 4 and 6 eggs and only incubate the eggs for 12 to 14 days. The young hatchling will then leave its nest after 11 to 17 days. Both parents will feed the nestlings, and the male will feed the female during the young's incubation period. According to the IUCN Red List, the American goldfinch is currently listed as least concern. The yellow warbler, or Cetopheg petegatechia, is a part of the order Passeriformes in the family Barulidae. The yellow warbler is native to a large region of North America, stretching from the Arctic Circle to Mexico. These birds forage from the forest floors to treetops. They will usually take insects from leaves or twigs. They mainly consume insects and will nest between 4 and 5 eggs. However, sometimes they will only lay between 3 to 6. Male yellow warblers will defend their territory by singing or fluttering in flight. Just like the American goldfinch, both male and female warblers will feed their young. According to the IUCN Red List, the yellow warbler is currently listed as least concern. The yellow tang, or Zebrasoma flavices, belongs to the order Acanthuriformes and the family Acanthuridae. The yellow tang is a bright-colored yellow fish that inhabits the Hawaiian reefs. These fish grow to a length of 8 inches or 20 centimeters. The Hawaiian name for this fish is the lua epauli. Yellow tangs mainly consume reef algae. Their teeth contain flexible comb-like teeth that allow them to consume algae. The yellow tang is related to the fish named Dory, displayed in the movies Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. According to the IUCN Red List, the yellow tang is currently listed as least concern. The purple glossy starling versus the American goldfinch. The purple glossy starling is a medium-sized bird that lives in Africa. The American goldfinch is a small bird that can be found in North America. The purple glossy starling and American goldfinch are both alike because they are both social birds that can sometimes be observed flying in groups. The purple martin versus the yellow warbler. The purple martin is one of the largest birds in its family. This bird usually relies on humans for the nests. However, they make their own nests in tree cavities. On the other hand, the yellow warbler is a bright-colored bird that lives in woodlands. The purple martin and the yellow warbler are both alike because they both feed on insects. The Pacific purple sea urchin versus the yellow tang. The Pacific purple sea urchin is a species of sea urchin that is native to the western coasts of North America. They are primarily found along the California coast, feeding on kelp forests, while the yellow tang is a species of sturgeonfish that lives around coral reefs feeding on plants. The Pacific purple sea urchin and the yellow tang are both alike because they both inhabit the Pacific Ocean. Thank you for watching. This is the 3rd episode of the 4th season of Comparing Animals and Their Habitats. If you would like to quiz yourself or others on the topic of this video, visit bermudasnature.org/learn or click the link below to get a free and reliable quiz. Hey, before you leave, why haven't you liked the video? Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more interesting videos like this one.